everyone and welcome to day 12. So honestly, I'm loving how this painting is turning out and I would honestly be happy to leave it there. The only thing that I would like to change is maybe this area here to brighten it up a bit, to add more white so that there's more of a contrast between this and this area here, this color, the colors around the sun here. This is completely optional, and if you're happy with how your sky looks, if you're happy with the colors of your painting, you do not need to do this and you could ignore this video. But that's what I'm basically going to be doing in the video, just brightening up the area around the sky. So for this, I'm going to use this bigger brush. But again, you could use really any of your brushes apart from your detail brush, just because it would take ages. So I'm going to stick with this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take pure white. I'm going to make sure that it's watered down so that it's going to glide across the canvas really well. And the area above the sky, I'm just going to start to brighten up. Okay, so I want it nice and watery, so it's going to glide across really nice. And again, if you want to blend it out, we can use this brush to blend it out nicely. Sometimes a bit of fluff or a bit of dust can get onto your canvas, and that's fine, we can just take it off. Like that. At this stage, this brush has basically no paint on it. I'm just blending it into the color that's already on the canvas underneath. You can go over this as many times as you want, depending on how bright you want your canvas to be. Just going to make it a little bit brighter, especially in this area here. Again, I want it to be nice and blended, so just going to make sure my brush is white or the brush has a lot of water on it. And I'm going to be careful when I'm going around my birds because I don't want to wipe them out completely. Okay, I'm just going to take a step back from that and see if I like it. Okay, so I'm quite happy with how this is. You can still see the color that was underneath coming through, but there's just a lot more contrast now between the area around the sun and the sky above it. But all I want to do now is maybe just blend in this a bit better here. And I might go over my birds again that I sort of covered up. So any brush really. I'm gonna take this one, I think, and just go back in with the white color. So you know what, maybe mix it with a little bit of the kind of orangey, yellowy color, goldeny color. Just gonna add that above the sun, and I'm just gonna bring it in here a little bit so that there is a bit of a blend between these two colors. Okay, and the final thing I'm going to do, if I haven't run out of time, is just to go over the birds. What I want to do as well is I just want to add a little bit of orange, so quite a bright orange. Just around the silhouette of the bird to show where the sun is hitting colors of the bird. Something like that, just to brighten it up a little bit. I kind of lost this bird completely, but just to brighten it up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with my black and just go over the shape of the birds. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to just add back in that definition there that I lost. I'm going to do the same thing for this little guy here. And a tiny bit more on this one. This one doesn't really matter because it's in the background anyway, but maybe just a little bit more. So you can see. Okay, so we're done. This is the final painting. I really hope you enjoyed this challenge and these videos. If you do have any questions, please just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. And if you did enjoy these videos and if you did enjoy this challenge, please like and subscribe. What I'm going to do in the next videos is I'm just going to paint the sides of the canvas. So that if you are happy with your painting and you decide to hang it up on the wall, it's just going to add a little bit more depth and it's going to look lovely from all angles. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.